Today I'm making another video for this machine, ElectriQ. So just turn it on and I'll show you the window condition. Have a look. Okay, you see. So just turn it on. It shows me this is over here 69 something, and it was on 45 degree. That shows 45 degree. Here is both 45 and 90. Here's 90, here's 45 degree. So I didn't put the timer on, just leave it like that for a while. So it's on high mode at the moment. You see on top of there, high mode. There's one low, one air purifier, and one smart. We'll leave it on high. So light is red. So I will show you after a couple of hours time. We'll see how it's going on. Okay. Here we're recording another video from this Dehumidifier new machine. I already posted my first video. I mentioned that video. I will do one more video. So this is all about the main control panel. This fan is throwing very fast wind, I would say. It will affect on your room heating. Anyway, this is what I discovered from last 3 days. Okay, it's now 3.5 hours since I started the first time. I showed you the window condition. Okay, you see still a lot of stuff there. The middle one is much better, but still something underneath. Okay, and the last one, this window. It's clear from upper section, but still something here. So this is what I have discovered from this Dehumidifier machine. I intend to send it back to the seller, but the problem is seller asking me to, I'll have to pay postal charges by my own self, because this is change of mind. If you're not satisfied with the performance or change your mind, you'll have to pay your 10 charges. But if the machine is out of order or damaged, then the seller will bear the postal charges. So this is one of the problem or disadvantage when you buy something from eBay and Amazon. This is why I always mostly like to buy stuff from Argos. They're very good for this sense. Anyway, my still views is 5 out of 10. I'll give you 5 out of 10 ranking. If you, I explain you everything honestly. So if you still think it's good for you, you can buy it. Otherwise, go for the better one. I did buy from eBay on 127 or 29.90. So you decide by yourself. Okay, thank you very much. See you some next video. Bye. I forgot to tell you something. What is inside this? You can see the water level. This is the water comes in this tank. Okay, so more easy to you decide about its performance. So whatever you like, I'll tell you honestly everything what I feel of this machine. Thank you very much. See you some other videos. Bye.